Welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla with Kayla's Cricut Creations, and I wanted to get a quick video posted because Amazon surprised us. They have a sale going on. This is new. I've never seen this before. It's called the Big Spring Sale. Or Big Spring Deal, I guess. It's kind of like a Prime Day. I'm pretty sure Amazon has a Prime Day in the summer, like July, and also in like November. But this is a little extra sale thrown in there. So of course I wanted to see if there was any good Cricut or crafting sales, and I did find some good ones, and I put it in my Amazon store. I'll put a link down below for my Amazon store, and you can shop the Amazon Spring Sale. First, I want to talk about machines. Sadly, I did not see that many Cricut machines for sale, but obviously you can see a few here. Both Cricut Joys are on sale. The Cricut Joy is $99 and the Cricut Joy Extra is $179. This is the lowest I've seen both of these go, so if you're in the market for either of the Cricut Joy machines, now would be a good time to buy it. Before I show you the rest of these, I want to show you an awesome website that I've been using for years and years, and it kind of helps you know if you're getting a good deal. If you see it says Big Spring Deal, then it should be a good deal, but it's always nice to kind of price check. The website I'm talking about is called CamelCamel, and what you do is you'll search in the product you want to buy. So I'm just going to type in the Cricut Joy. It shows up right here. I'm going to click on this. It does say best price right here, but I'm going to scroll down. Over here you can see it says $99 is the lowest ever. The highest ever is $179, and the average is about $145. So that's typically what the price is at. So looking at this, $99 is a very good sale. The last time they had this sale was November 17th, 2023. There's also the Cricut Maker bundle on sale. It says limited time deal, so I feel like that's different than the Big Spring Deal. Looking at heat presses, I saw the Cricut Auto Press was on sale for half off. Typically, it's $1,000, which is insane, but it looks like it's $499. So if it's something you've really been wanting, then that is on sale. I also organized my list. First, there's machines. Next is Cricut tools. And these actually do not have the Big Spring Deal on here, but all of these are fantastic deals, so I wanted to add it on there. The Cricut Brayer tool is $8.99. Over on this website, it says $8.99 is the lowest price it's been. It typically is around $16. My Brayer tool is one of my most used items, so I wanted to put that on there. We have a few other things that are good prices. The Cricut mats have been on such a good deal lately. It's only $5.83 for two. Typically, I get the off-brand Nakapa mats, and those are three for around $10. The Nakapa mats are great, but I do really like my Cricut mats a little bit better for some reason. I don't even know why. So having two for around $5 is such a good deal. Here's a few more Cricut products and materials that I found. The Cricut acetate is $3.99. That is such a good deal. There's also this Cricut cold activated color changing vinyl. I've never tried this, but it's on sale for $11. Here's a couple more Cricut products. Next, I have some organizational products. This is the 3-tier utility cart. It's great for storing your craft supplies. That's on sale. This accordion file, I use this to store some of my scrap vinyl. Here's a storage cabinet that I found. I don't personally have this, but I thought it looked pretty cool. It's on a lightning sale. The next products are things that I just use quite a bit. I love these highlighters. I also have these 3-pack scissors. I really like them, and for the price, it's great. I use t-shirt ruler guides all the time, so I threw in a couple of those that are on sale. Here's an extension tray for the Cricut, which is nice if you have like a 12x24 mat that you're using. I also put on here a laminator that's on sale. I don't personally have this one, but I do have a laminator that I use a lot, so I wanted to put that on there. I have one of these photo cases, which I probably should put up with the organization ones, but I have 2 of these and they're great. One of them I put cords in, and another one I just put random little knickknacks and things that I have from my craft room. All the little photo cases hold something different, and I still need to go in and label those with my Cricut. I just have not done that yet. Next, I have Cricut blanks. I love these mesh zipper pouches. There's so many different kinds, and for some reason, this is the only one I saw on sale. Also, this Simple Modern 40-ounce tumbler. I have this instead of the Stanley Cup. I actually had a Stanley Cup, and I sold it to my neighbor and bought one of these, and I like it better. Also, look at the colors on this. It's so pretty, but it's on sale for $23.99. That's a fantastic deal, and you can personalize these with your Cricut. It's so fun. There's some other really fun Cricut blanks. These canned glasses are one of my favorites to personalize with my Cricut. Also, these glass coffee mugs are awesome to personalize with your Cricut, and I found some wine glasses as well. I have a sweatshirt blank on here, and the last few things I found was for sublimation. I didn't find too much for sublimation, but if you use the Hippo sublimation ink, that is on sale. And I found a few blanks. These look really cool. They're frosted mug glasses, and I love PYD Life. I use their products all the time. That's about it with what I found. I'm going to look through it a little bit more today, and I can always add to it also. All of these links are affiliate links, so I get a small commission if you shop through it, so I just appreciate it so much when you shop through my links. Let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you're looking for, and let us know if you find anything else good. This was just a fun surprise sale. It seems like Prime Day has better sales on Cricut machines, but I still found some good stuff, so I wanted to share it.